a shift in societal attitudes towards victims. It also underscores the importance of due diligence and thoroughness in every step of the process, from the initial investigation to the reporting and documenting of evidence. Without these, predators like Rhoades will continue to exploit the system's weaknesses, leaving a trail of victims in their wake. As we delve deeper into the psyche of Robert Ben Rhoades, it becomes evident that understanding his mental framework is crucial. According to court reports, Rhoades was considered a sexual